Hey guys, welcome back to Gabe's Garage. Today we got a JK 2007. This is Rob, the owner of this JK. Rob, tell me a little bit about your Jeep.
It's just, like I said, 07 JK. It's got about 5.5 inches of lift, 35s. Still got the tiny axles, no lockers. Just something fun to play with.
So, you say 5.5 inch lift?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty tall.
It is tall.
Any gears on it? Stuck
no,
gears?
No, it's still got it's 410 from the factory, and it does pretty well with the 35s. Doesn't feel like a turd.
Does it still have the same clutch? What kind of mileage you running on this thing already?
Yeah, I'm getting a whopping like 12, maybe 13 miles to the gallon. That's okay. It's smiles per gallon versus miles per gallon.
Miles per gallon, I like it.
You know, it's got a South pin clutch in it for pulling Toyotas out of the mud.
Whoa, let's not go there. I mean, no, it looks good. It looks like you actually have a lot of fun with it. So, aside from lift and the 35-inch tires,
yep.
Obviously bumpers, winch, what kind of fenders?
What kind of fenders? eBay
fenders. Are they short? They're shorter. Did they rub? Any kind of rubbing when you flex?
There's no rubbing whatsoever. On the factory fenders, I'd rub a little bit, but there's so much lift. It was, yeah, I really had to try. Even with the disconnects, I don't hit anything.
Well, guys, you already here. 5-inch lift, 35-inch tires. Pretty much everything else is stuck. Let's go see what this thing can do. Big tire, bro.
Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't that dry. It's moving. Going really slow, but it's going. You want me to pull you?
Well, I need to.
Yeah, he's sitting on the damn.
Oh, no.
The winch not working. I got a tow strap.
The solenoids just went out.
Okay, let me. Okay, that's fine. You got a tow strap.
I might not be. My battery's been having a hard time starting.
Alright guys, this is the worst spot right here. This moho is really soft. He got 35 and still couldn't get out, so it's really bad. We're just gonna use the winch, but the winch is not working. Probably the solenoid wouldn't mount. So we are going to use the tow strap. We'll see.
For pulling Toyotas out of the mud. For pulling Toyotas out of the mud. Hook. Bradford.
Got anything to say, Rob?
Yeah, man.
Was it deep?
Do what?
Was it deep?
Oh, it was a little deep.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for today. You can see what the JK can do. Not bad at all for pretty much stuck, just a couple inches of lift and 35-inch tires. Yeah, thanks Rob for letting us record your Jeep.
Yeah, man. Thanks for having us out.
Fun time. So yeah, this is Silver Frog 4x4 Club. You can look it up on Facebook. If you're in Georgia or close by, look it up. Amazing place. Thanks for watching.